Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and we're back again for another Discord voice chat tutorial talking about how to set up your own push-to-talk button for your microphone in your user settings. I just covered how you make your very own push-to-talk only channel, so in case there's a lot of people that leave their microphones open, you can force them to only be able to use push-to-talk. So now it might be helpful if I show you how to enable that for yourself. And all you really have to do is go into your user settings. That's the cog wheel down here at the bottom left of the screen next to your username. And you click on that button and it brings up all of your cool settings. We're going to go down to voice and video, which controls things like your headset, your microphone, and your webcam. And we're going to go down here, and it might be currently set to voice activity. We want to set this to push to talk. Once you do that, you can set it up so that you use a specific hotkey rather than whatever the default is. I'm just going to leave mine at, say, the V key and click stop recording. And the only other thing you really need to mess around with is, do you want a talk release delay button? In this case, that means that if you release the key really quickly because you play a lot of fast-paced games, it won't cut you off at the end of whatever word you were last saying. And you can make this wait a really long time, like 2 seconds left open before it turns off, or it can turn off instantaneously. Me, I tend to leave my finger on the trigger a little bit longer than necessary so that people can hear what I'm trying to say, but your mileage may vary, and you can control that setting right here. Once you've got all of that done, you can just hit escape, and congratulations, you have your very own push-to-talk button. It's set up, it's ready to go, fancy-prancy-dancy. And that's all you gotta do. And if you have any questions or comments about how this works or why you'd want to use it, you can just slip those down in the comment section below. I'm always more than happy to help. And let me know in the comments out there, like, are there a lot of people out there that prefer voice activity? Or are there a lot of people that would prefer that all of their friends use push-to-talk? Because I know this question has come up in our servers that I'm in with a bunch of friends, because there's a lot of people that tend to have screaming kids in the background. So I'm very curious what your preferences are out there. Just let me know in the comments. And until next time, I got a couple videos here at the end of this little tutorial that you might like to help you learn how to do Discord better, and it would help me out a whole bunch if you watch them. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.